40 divided by 20, divided by 60, divided by 30, 99% of people get this math problem wrong by solving it incorrectly. They take 40 divided by 20 to get 2, and 60 divided by 30 to also get 2, and finally divide 2 by 2 to arrive at 1. However, this answer is completely wrong because they fail to follow the order of operations, which we call PEMDAS. Look, the PEMDAS rule is very simple. First, we have to solve the expressions inside the parentheses, then the exponents. Next, we get to multiplication and division, which have the same priority and must be solved strictly from left to right. And finally, we have addition and subtraction, which also need to be solved in the exact same way, from left to right. This channel is for smart people. If you're smart, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's look at the correct way to solve this problem. Since the expression only contains division operations, we must proceed from left to right. First, we divide 40 by 20, which equals 2. The expression then becomes 2 divided by 60 divided by 30. In the next step, we divide 2 by 60, which equals 1/30. Now, the expression becomes 1/30 divided by 30. At this point, we apply the KCF rule. When we reach a point where we have a fraction divided by a whole number, we use the KCF rule. KCF stands for keep, change, flip. We keep the first fraction exactly as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second number to its reciprocal. Then we simply multiply the numerators and denominators to get the final answer. According to the KCF rule, first, we keep the first fraction as it is, so we write down 1/30. Second, we change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Third, we flip the second fraction. The reciprocal of 30 is 1/30. Therefore, we are left with the product of 1/30 times 1/30, which equals 1/900. If you enjoy these kinds of math challenges, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.